Hey everyone, it is so good to be back on YouTube. I am really excited today. We're getting our car, we're taking off, and we're gonna go visit a friend. I'm gonna be showing you guys a cozy cottage video tour. I'm really excited. My friend Carol has a beautiful little homestead and she makes it so cozy, and she has gardens and chickens and a cute little guest house. So I'm really excited to start my journey today with my daughter, and we're gonna take off. And on the internet, she had looked at our blog when we used to sell drying racks, and then we met again on Pinterest and then Instagram, and we have a lot of similar likes, and she's just a sweet soul, and I'm gonna get to meet her for the first time, and I am really excited. So come along with me. So we're at my friend's house, Carol, at Rosehaven Cottage. I'm so excited. We're going to do a tour. We're going to show you this cute little cottage that they built themselves in, what's this, Northwest Washington?
Northeast Washington.
Northeast Washington.
Yes, Stevens County.
Stevens County. It's beautiful. She is the queen of cozy. What's the square footage on your house?
Just about 1,100 square feet.
And you guys originally started out with just the main part.
Just the main part was this building here. It was a 16 by 20 cabin. Very rustic.
That's awesome.
I saw you on your blog, and it had to do when you were still, I think you were still selling the
Drying racks.
The drying racks.
And then we kind of reconnected on
yes,
Pinterest,
yes,
right?
Pinterest,
and then
Instagram.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I love it when you can get online and you can meet people that have the same heart and just be able to get to. Did it totally feel like we knew each other?
Yes, absolutely.
Not even awkward at all.
Nope. No.
Not even slightly.
No, she didn't laugh when yeah, when things happen.
Yeah, life. When the cocoa boiled over.
When the cocoa boiled over, yeah.
All right, let's go check this house out. Okay, well maybe not.
Okay, I'll open the door.
Tour's over. Goodness.
I want to see if the artist in residence is at home. Is the artist at home?
So what do you guys use this for?
We use it for guests and not lately, and because we have a little stove refrigerator and there's a bed, but he's using it for his studio, his little art studio.
Cozy.
Ooh, oh, okay, he's working on it. Kind of a spooky, more carrots that have to come out, and I got the rosemary covered.
So this is her main potager. Beautiful, aka garden area. This is where she keeps her chickens.
This is the chicory. I'm going to check for eggs.
The chicory. I love it.
I found one. And a blue one.
Oh, what kind of chickens do you have?
I have, this is a speckled Sussex. They think I'm the rooster because they bow in submission. Except this one.
Speckled Sussex.
This is a speckled Sussex. This is a buff Orpington. This is called the Super Blue, so kind of a hybrid. And there's, okay, so this is Annie. That's Lizzie. That's Mary Rose. There's Birdie or Becky, I can't decide. She's a black Osterlarp. Alice, that's Alice McIntyre. These are all named after my either moms or grandmothers.
I love it.
This is Alice.
Oh, do you want to see the chickens?
No, you can't come out. No, you go back in. Elizabeth. Elizabeth. You go back in.
Okay, you want to go in?
Sawdust all over me.
What do you think of the chickens? The chooks.
And that's Betty Jane. She's the one that's giving me the blue egg right now.
Hey, Danica. Danica, do you like the chickens?
Oh, they're gonna go lay two at a time. We came on Christmas Eve and it was absolutely freezing in here. And we built a rip-roaring fire, a real fire, and we got the little cook stove going. And we had no electricity, so we had battery-operated lights. It was so wonderful. It was so, it wasn't finished inside. We just had, I think we may have had the drywall on the wall, but those are some good memories. And we realized that maybe we wanted to be here all the time. So
that's so sweet.
it's not our same little, it's not our, you know, like the same idea of the rustic like we originally were going to do, but it was that I had that connection. I had no idea.
So yeah, we're following her to town and we're going to show you guys our day. I was so thrilled to get to meet her today. This has been like a year in the making to actually get to come see her. We live about an hour and 10 minutes away, and this was just like just an awesome day. I'm really, really, really happy to be able to meet her, and she's such an old soul. I love her. We have so many things in common. I love her cozy home and just her heart, and so I'm excited. So we'll go on to the little town today. Oh my goodness, look at that blue one. Is that not the coolest old farmhouse? Oh, that is. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Come into my favorite haunt. So now, I have thrifted.
Friendship rings.
What you doing?
You can get around.
You shopping?
Hey, Dad, let's put it back. Thank you guys so much for coming along. I really appreciate it. And I'll be back with more videos soon. I appreciate you guys hanging in there with me when I had a 3-month lull. And I can't wait to get more content out and just share things with you guys. So have a great day.